If you don't know me, my name's Tim, and I had been dreaming about shark diving since I became a certified open water diver in 2019. The crazy part is the challenges leading up to the trip. Finding the right dive operation, or operations. In my case, I settled on Calypso dive charters and Emerald charters. To say I was ecstatic, meeting the celebrity lemon shark Miss Snooty, is an understatement. I was so excited that I just screamed like a little schoolgirl. I saw her come in from the depths on my 7th dive at the end of my 3 days. I was beyond excited to see her come in to see what all the commotion was about. It was the total perfect last dive. You're at the mercy of the currents. It's a drift dive, but the slow kind. You just kind of hang out. You can't hear them coming. There isn't any warning. They just appear. Most people live in fear of the sharks. I respect them and I adore them. I don't know if it's because that they are misunderstood, and I feel like we have that in common. The team of people on both boats were absolutely amazing, accommodating, friendly, helpful, and made sure that you had the trip of a lifetime. We cruised back into Palm Beach during a rainstorm, which was actually amazing. You couldn't see where you were going, just had to follow the navigation, so we just stopped and waited for a while. It was my first shark experience to a lifetime more of shark diving. Now I just want more. More sharks, more wildlife, more ocean. Cheers to the future.